I just caught the biggest fish in my life.
Pow, 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 pow. Corner Chronicles. Pow, 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 pow. Corner Chronicles. Pow, 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 pow. Corner Chronicles. Pow, 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 pow. Corner Chronicles. Pow, pow,
Keep
pow,
them
pow,
coming.
pow, pow, pow. Corner Chronicles. Pow, 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 pow.
Look at that! Oh my God!
Corner Chronicles. Pow, 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 pow. Corner Chronicles. Pow, 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 pow. Corner Chronicles. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Corner back with another episode of Corner Chronicles. And today, I'm back. New Smyrna Beach, 3 Bridges. I'm here. It's right now, it's 7 o'clock in the morning, and it looks great out there. I have a good feeling about today. You see what I'm saying? It's go time. Got my StenCy key on. You already know. Hold on. You gotta see the shorts too. You know what I'm saying? Just made that design. Should be on StenCyKeys.com very, very soon. But, all right, guys, let's get it. All right. First cast of the day. Going to be a good one. So we're gonna, oh yeah. I like it already. Nice little mangroves. All right, it's go time. I think that's a keeper right there. That'd be a nice little sandwich. See how big he is. He is 11 inches. That's the spot right there. That's the spot. We got a big end on right now. Hopefully it doesn't come off. Let's see. Come on, baby. Bring home the bacon. Bring me the bacon. Come on. These fish been taking my bait so quick. Sometimes I don't even feel it. He's still on there though.
hit. What? He got half eaten. That's what happened to him. Alright, so this shrimp, I hooked it in the tail, but it seemed like every time the tail is missing. So I switched it up. Is that a pink? That's a pink bird. Looks like. Maybe not a flamingo. It's definitely pink. So anyways, just thinking out loud. Alright guys, so I'm at my mom's house right now. I was going to use my new griddle and but I just didn't feel like doing it. So I'm at my mom's crib. I'm going to make like some snapper English muffin sandwiches with some eggs. Call it a day. I know you're not really supposed to use cheese with fish, that's what they say, but it's my show, so we putting cheese on it. You feel me? So hopefully y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna cook it up real quick, fillet it up, and then we're gonna make it happen. Let's get it.
All right, guys, so let's try it out. We really had a fish and egg sandwich like this. We're gonna see what it's about. That's good right there. Wow. I'm a fan. And you know, they say you can't put cheese on fish. Tastes great. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. And also share this to your friends. You know, I'm trying to grow the channel. So if you could share it, that would be greatly appreciated. Also, shout out to my sponsor, StenCy KEY. Remember, consistency is key. To all my content creators out there, social media influencers, hustlers, go-getters, remember, consistency is key. All right, guys, let's get it.